Okay, lottery seekers. I just did a video a couple seconds ago. I'm going to do the next one. As everybody can see, this is the Mega Millions. All the drawings that have come out, and there's almost 2,200 Mega Millions drawings since September, as everybody can see it. I'm going to go over January 12th to January 16th, and I'm going to go two different ways of how you can figure this out. First thing is, forget the Mega Ball. Okay? Forget the Mega Ball. This is how I do it. I looked up on Lottery Post, and if you look up pyramid, lottery pyramids, okay, how did I get all these numbers? And Tuesday the 16th was 3/11, 23, 29, 59 after this one. Okay, as everybody can see, and obviously it's not guaranteed. This is what I did. What I did was I took the 1 plus 7 equals 8. You write down here, 1 plus 8 is 9, 3 and 3 is 6, 4 and 6 is 10, but you take the 1, 0 equals 1, 6 plus 0 equals 6. You can also, I'll try it this way too, it can be happening both ways. You can take the 1 plus 6, it's a 6 in there, 7 hidden there. I would take 3 plus 3 is 6, the 2 is hidden there, and the 4 is hidden there. I would write that down. The second thing I was looking at about a month ago was you take the 89616, bring it down, and then you add them lottery math. So you take 6 plus 6 equals 12, but it's really 1 plus 2 equals 3, 1 plus 1, 2, same thing, same. Then you knock it down to 4 numbers, as everybody can see it. Then you knock it down to 3, knock it down to 2, knock it down to 1. Now, Mega Millions has 70 numbers in it. Yes, you don't want to do 70 numbers. What you want to do is, what I was told by somebody on Lottery Post, is to take, let's say, 69, 61, 16. Anything that's horizontal or vertical. However, if you want to do diagonal, it's up to you, but you don't want to take that many numbers. So you want to take maybe 4 numbers, write them down. Down to here, you're going to probably take 7 numbers in here or whatever, but don't repeat. Okay, so in other words, you can't repeat the 61 and 16 because it's already up here. But down here, you can do a 36, a 63, and write them over here. Same thing down here, and so forth. I found that if you can find 28 to 30 numbers, and you look in the lottery pyramid, as I have wrote it, so you can add it this way up to here, and then you can take this up to here. So originally, 2018 is 199, 98, and 7, and then whatever you get here. Like I said in the last video, there is no mandatory way of doing this. You can add across this way until you get up to here, and 8 plus 1 is 9, and then take it to here, 1 plus 2 is 3, and so forth. Okay? There's no mandatory way of doing it. You're not, oh my god, I'm doing this wrong. You can do it any way you want, and then again, once in a while, you might be able to do 2 plus 4 is 6 and bring that up, and so forth. Now, let me see something. On here, it was 3/11, 23, 29, 59, and the Mega Ball was 18. And there's an 18 right there, and then right there. There's a little indication that if you have more than one number, it could come out. So that was 3/11, 23, 29, 59. Problem is there's no 5, but the 5 is a 0. So you can do it that way. And then 29 is 1, and then right here, and then right here, and then right here. And then 23 is right here. And then 11, obviously, and the 3. So if you had picked those numbers out, and the 18, if you did, you hit the jackpot. But obviously, in the Always Are videos, they don't explain. Everybody else in Always Are Lottery Post videos and YouTube videos, they don't explain. I think it's because nobody wants to give their secrets out. Now, I'm not saying it always works that way. I'm not. I mean, 30, but it could have been, whichever way, and whichever way, and whichever way. If you go to usamega.com and just click on one of those Mega Millions or Powerball, click on the last 50 draws, it'll give you a breakdown of what's been hit the most, and so forth. So, that's another way. Like I said, I learned this a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, and I wasn't sure, and I looked at it again. I'm like, oh my god, there's so many different ways of doing a lottery pyramid. It just depends. But here's the other thing, of course. In Mega Millions, it does not go over 70. It used to go to 75. They reduced it to 70. And it goes up to 26, just like these draws right here. Okay? And that, and the date. And the current date, what I would do is, let me see, a 4 did not come out, although 2 times 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. But the 4 never came out. It was a 29.59. So you never know. There's a 33, it looks like, in there, but it was 23 and a 3. You notice that? If you have a bunch of 1s and 2s, it could be a 3, and the 3 came out, obviously. And then the 11, and then the 10, but there was no 10. There's a couple tricks to do it with, and like I said, there's nothing guaranteed, of course. That's why it's random. So, look at that. That's your one right there, and that's the other part. And also, for anybody who ever lives in whatever time zone, whenever the numbers are drawn for the other lotteries, such as the pick 3, pick 4, 5, 6, so forth, I will look when they come out at night. Look at the day and evening, because that might be a very good indication of what's going to come out. Okay, Lottery Truth Seekers, have a good day.